Scholarships for 2026 intake are still open. Many have been rolling out recently, and much more will be rolled out in the coming weeks and in the coming months. So if you know that you still have a goal to win a scholarship, or you are still hoping to win a scholarship in 2026, it's just to let you know that you shouldn't give up, because opportunities are rolling out every day. And I hope that you have the right document, you are really prepared for these applications, and you are submitting good applications as well when they open. Now, I'm here to share with you a scholarship in France for your master's program. The deadline for this scholarship is end of March 2026, but I advise that you apply for this scholarship as soon as you can. This scholarship gives you stipend up to 10,000 euros, and they will cover your travel costs, they will cover your visa costs, and also other benefits. It's an amazing opportunity to apply for if you really have interest to study in France. Now, one thing about schools in France is that they have different application windows for different universities and different programs. Their common application windows was from September to December last year, where you are able to apply to different public universities through the Campus France platform, and you can get affordable schools that are as cheap as 250 euros every year, and some schools as high as 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 euros. Currently, there are still some schools in France that will be open in the coming weeks, and some that are currently open, just a few schools, right? So I have a couple of them that I'm applying for to clients who are seeking for affordable university. So if you're someone that is looking to study in Europe and you are looking for an affordable university to apply for, and their fees ranges between 2,000 to 6,000 euros, then I advise that you look into France. There are lots of hidden opportunities in France that people don't talk about so much. So I just thought to mention that here, that while you are trying to apply for the scholarship, if you know that you wouldn't mind to study in Europe on a fair budget, then you should add France to your list. There are a couple of them. And if you also need support for admissions to the affordable universities in France, you can let me know and we can talk about how we can progress with that. But yeah, I'll share my screen with you now, and I'm going to walk you through what you need to know about this scholarship in France and how you can apply for it. And do not forget that this info is already on our ScholarWaka website. So if you are not following ScholarWaka, you may have missed this opportunity and you will miss more future opportunities. So always follow ScholarWaka to get up-to-date daily updates about different scholarships. We are always sharing new scholarship every day on our platform, okay? And please smash the subscribe button if you have not done so. Okay, now let's deep dive into this scholarship. Guys, welcome to the ScholarWaka beautiful website. Indeed, our website is beautiful, and you can also testify to that. Here is where we share with you info about fully funded scholarship that will enable you to study abroad for free. So when you come to our website, you're going to see scholarship for bachelor's degree, for master's degree, for PhD, for internship, for fellowships. Everything you find there are what will make you study for free. If not all free, almost free. The information we share here on our website. So do well to always come around to explore what we have on our website. And today we are going to France. So join me. Let's journey to France and let's see what they have for us. So today we are going to Université of Paris-Saclay in France because they are offering international master's scholarship to international students. So let's go to the page to see more info about the scholarship. This scholarship is offering financial support program for outstanding international student who wants to study master's degree in France, and the goal is for you to gain admission into their eligible master's program, which we are going to see shortly, and then you are able to have access to this scholarship. This scholarship is designed to support talented students and help them to have access to high quality education in Europe while preparing them for academic and professional success. So this looks like what you want. You have interest to study in France, then you should definitely look at applying for this scholarship. So yeah, Guys, now with this particular scholarship, anyone from anywhere across the world is eligible to apply for the scholarship. You will get 10,000 euros every year for your program. Usually masters in France or at this university, usually 2 years program, but we're going to check depending on the course you are applying for, and they will also provide travel support for you to get to study in France. And deadline for scholarship is still far away. It's 31st of March 2026, but please do wait to submit your application as soon as you can. Do not wait till the last minute before you submit your application. So you're going to see more info about the scholarship. This university is ranked among the world top 20 universities in the world. So it's a very good institution to have your study at. And for you to apply for the scholarship, you should be studying either science, engineering, life science, health, humanity, and social science courses. For me, it covers almost all areas of study. So if you check, you're surely going to find something to apply for. And it's also available for both their first year, which is M1 or M2 master's program, and students admitted into M1 can have their scholarship renewed in M2 if they complete their credit. So all you need to do is for you to apply for admissions to this field of studies at this university, and you can apply for either M1 or M2 master's program. They also said that all academic fields are eligible except vocational and apprentice program. So meaning that any course you find at this university that is Masters 1, Masters 2, which is M1, M2, they are eligible except vocational and apprenticeship program. So which is really good. Really good. And these are also other programs you can apply for on our website. Do well to come check them out. And made a video about this scholarship few days ago, so check it out on our website to see how you can submit your application. It's a very good scholarship as well in the UK, and it has great funding. And this is another scholarship as well in Europe, which is in Hungary. Check to see if you are able to apply for the program. Now let's look deeper into if you can apply the criteria. So first, you must be an international student. 2, you must be admitted into an eligible master's program. 3, you must be enrolling in France for the first time, so you must not have studied in France before. 3rd, you must be under 30 years of age in the year of application. So if you're above 30, you can apply for the scholarship. 5, must not receive more than 600 euros per month after other funding source. 6, you must not hold any other scholarship like the EFIC scholarship, Europa scholarship, or Erasmus scholarship. And finally, must be admitted through an eligible institution under Paris-Saclay. So ensure that you follow this eligibility criteria seriously as you're looking to apply for this particular program. And also other scholarships you can also apply for and check out on our website. And here is the benefit for the scholarship, which is really good. You're gonna get 10,000 euros every year. So if you're applying for M1 and M2, you can renew your scholarship in M2. Monthly payment from September to June. They're going to support your travel and visa costs up to 900 euros per year. You also have administrative support and also assistance with accommodation search, which is really good as well. So documents you need to apply for this scholarship or this program in France. You need to get your admission letter to an eligible master's program. Online scholarship application form need to be submitted. Contact details of 2 referees, recommendation form from 2 referees, your personal statement or statement of purpose, and then your academic records, which is like your transcript and certificate. So one thing I'm going to tell you is that I'm very familiar with this particular university and how to apply for their admissions. So if you are not sure how to go about this, you can also reach out to me and let me know. I'm happy to direct you on what to do. Okay, and another thing for you to also know is that another key information you need to be aware of about this university is that when you search for their program, please ensure that you submit your application as soon as you can, because it's going to take some time for them to process your admissions and for them to give you an admission offer. As you can see, deadline is end of March, and you need to get an admission offer for you to be able to also have a complete scholarship application. So do well to always double check. And if you are not sure of the timeline for application and their deadline, please contact the contact number you can see on your course page, because every of their course page have a contact email or a contact person. Reach out to them via email to ask any question you need to have, just to save you time, submit good application on time. Now, here is how to apply. It says you should apply for an eligible master's program at the university before the scholarship deadline. Wait for the selection by your course coordinator. If selected, receive an email link to apply for the scholarship form. So you can see that the earlier you apply for admissions, the better for you. So you can see that if you apply late, you may not be able to have enough time for the course coordinator to review your applications and give you an offer before you apply for scholarship. So please apply for admissions really well on time. Okay, we're going to go through the course page shortly, and then once you get the link to the scholarship, submit your application form, provide information for your referees. I always talk about referees as well, those who you recommend or who you choose to be your referee. Please choose good and reliable people who can give you good reference. And if you are not sure how your reference letter should look like, please check the description of this video. I've dropped a link to a list of our products, and there you're going to see samples of how to write a good professional and academic reference letter, because they are very key. Especially when you apply to schools in France, they are very key for their application, and even for any scholarship, it is very, very key. Okay, and here are all the information. Okay, shortly we are going to check the list of all the master's program they have at the school, so just stick around. We're going to get into that shortly. And here is the link for you to sign up to our mentorship class. So do well to sign up if you want me to work closely with you as you apply for different scholarships. Then note the deadline is 31st of March, is not far away. Please apply for admission as soon as possible so you can have time to be able to submit your application as well for the scholarship. But before we get into how to apply, please do well to note that you can follow us on ScholarWaka across all social media platforms, and also join our scholarship WhatsApp group. For those who are wondering how they are going to contact me, you can contact me through our contact page. So if you click on contact us, here it is going to open for you the different means on how you can reach out to me or my team. Send us an email with the reason for why you are reaching out to us. If you want to do mentorship, you want to have a consultation, that's a way for you to reach out to us. And then another easiest way to get to me personally is for you to join our WhatsApp group. And then once you get to our WhatsApp group, just look for the UK admin number, and that is my direct number. You can also follow me as well across all my social media pages at lucyikpesuewhubare, and send me a DM as well, and you will get a response within 12 to 24 hours. But the easiest way to contact me is through emails or through my direct contact on WhatsApp. So join the WhatsApp group, and then you can reach out to me. Okay, I just thought to mention that for those who will be wondering how they can reach out to me. Now let's click on apply, and then that will bring us to this page where you can read all the info about this program and also how you can apply. As you can see, they already mentioned that for you to apply for this particular scholarship, you can apply for any M1 and M2 master's program at the university, and here you can see more info about the school. So please do come here to read all this info carefully. We have already simplified all of this on the ScholarWaka website, so I'm not going to go into that again. Okay, so now let's also look at the list of their eligible program. So now let's check more info about the application procedure and how you can submit your application. So this is for those who want to apply for their M1 program, and this is for M2 programs. If you want to apply for M1 program, you click on this, and here you can see the link to the list of all their M1 programs. So click on this, that will open for you this PDF document where you're going to see the list of all the programs you can apply for that is for this scholarship. So I will also advise that whatever program you see here, please go search for the program on their website to be sure that the program is taught in English language, because most of the programs are taught in both French and English language, or just French and just English. So you want to check to read more info about the course before you apply. Okay, and then once you have read through the course you have interest in and you want to begin or apply for the program, you're going to apply for the program using this Inception platform. Once you click on this link, that should take you to the page where you can then begin setting up your account or use your username or password to begin your application. On the application form, you're going to provide your personal information, choose the list of the courses you have interest in, and also upload your document as required by the university. And so let me do an example in this video. So assuming you have interest in this biomass engineering for bioeconomy, I will copy this link and let me go find this course on their website. Okay, so assuming I go to education and then I go to master's program taught in English. Assuming you want to search for just program taught in English language or search for all master's program, depending on what you're looking for. I know majority of people might want to go for programs taught in English, so I will just click on programs taught in English, and here you can see a list of all the courses taught in English language. So before you choose any program here, do it to ensure that this program you're seeing here, they are also on this list. Okay, they're also on this list. So once you find a program that looks like what you want, so this is the program I clicked on earlier, or this is the program here, this one, Biomass Engineering for Bioeconomy. I've seen it here already, so which is this one. Once you find a program that looks like what you want, you can just click on the link and that will take you to the course official page where you can then read all the information. You can even see their apply now button here, and then if you go down the page as well, you're going to see more info about the program, and then you see the contact information of those you can write to if you have any question about the program. Yeah, I just thought to do this detailed video to just show you how to go about this page, because applying to schools in France can be very, very tricky. Their sites are not usually very easy to navigate, but I have experience, like I've done lots of application for clients on this particular university website, so I really understand how to navigate their page. But if you have any question, let me know in the comments or reach out to me as I have described. Join the ScholarWaka WhatsApp group or write us an email, and then we're going to hear back from us in 12 to 24 hours. Thank you all so much for watching to the end. I hope you find value for this. If you do so, please smash the subscribe button. Please like this video, because it will take anything for you to give me a thumbs up. Just click on the like button, and also just help me share this with your family and friends. And do not forget that ScholarWaka website, we share different scholarship every day on our platform, whether for bachelor's degree, for master's degree, for PhD. So please do check it out and apply for different scholarships as much as you can. You still have an opportunity for you to move abroad this year if you put in the work and put in the time to submit good scholarships. Okay, all the best in your applications, and do not forget that ScholarWaka will always got you covered, and we have different means on how we can support you, either through our mentorship program, getting our services, or getting the product that we have prepared for you to support you as you apply for different and several scholarships. Check the description of this video for links to all of those that I have mentioned. Okay, I pray that this year 2026, God bless you with your dream scholarship to study your dream course and also at your dream country. All the best, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.